Okay, never mind. This is yet again. This is number three. Third time that I've tried to record this. I just got interrupted and I don't. I'm not really technically savvy, but recap. Like really stupid. But recap of what I said earlier. I'm wearing a bunny shirt. Random. Um, like I said earlier, this is going to be a haul of Walgreens and Michaels, the makeup, the jewels. Oh, my phone's going off. Um, Walgreens, Michaels. I'm in a cast, so I want to decorate it because it's not me if it's not decorated and shiny and pretty and girly and stuff like that. But it's just black. It's kind of substance. Yeah, I'll show you. I don't know why I'm going to do this. This is what it looks like. Yeah, that's it. Quick snippet of my cast. I'm gonna put like a Hello Kitty decal on the side and then maybe a bow, a little Hello Kitty bow on the top part of it. I'll show you guys when I'm done with it. But enough of my cast and my Achilles, torn Achilles tendon that I have to have for the next 3 weeks of my life. But whatever, gotta deal with it. I was gonna say this one time really fast. I know this is fun. Okay, so starting off with my Walgreens haul, I just got a lipstick. I got 2 lipsticks that day that I wanted, but I didn't like the other one that I kept thinking of. It's number 45. It's just the Maybelline one. I forgot what line it's called. I'm not really sure, but this is what it looks like in the tube. I used it already. I liked it a lot on me. I liked it a lot on my skin tone. I'll try to swatch it, see if it goes. I don't know. The light in here is really bad. That's what it looks like. However, it is different. But that's not what I'm wearing on my lips right now. And I just paired that with my NYX lip liner, lip pencil, and lip pencil. What was it? I have no idea. What's it? And this is in 840 Rose. And then I also got 2 eyeliners. I got the Milani liquif'eye. I got it in the teal color. I don't know what it's called. It's called Aqua. It's in 4. Looks like this. And then I also got it in black. I took it out to the side, but I just want to show you what the packaging looks like. It's for the store and you guys want to get it yourself. I also got it in black. Black in 1. My phone is going off. I'll answer you later in a bit. So those are the 3 things that I got at Walgreens. I'm going to do a review on these 2. I just got them, so I don't know how I'm liking them so far. But, well, so far I've used both of them a day each. Today I'm wearing the black one, and I like it a lot. The application is really easy, but I'm going to do a review on these because I don't want this video to get way too long and way too blah blah blah. You know what I mean? So it's kind of fun. So I'll do a review of these and then swatch them for you in another video. So that's enough of that. And then for my Michaels haul, I got a bunch of rhinestones. These are pieces of rhinestones. I got 2 packets of this 116 piece set that looks like this. Here's what it says. And it can be different sizes. And I got 2 of those, and I'm going to fill in my bow with these. So I'll show you guys again when I'm done with it because it's kind of complicated to show it right now. And then I also got it in like a black. I got the same set, but in a black and I don't know what color that is. Kind of like a grayish color. I don't know if you can see it. Gray. I don't know what color that is. I'm really bad with describing colors, but ew. Okay, she's just the other one. Sorry. That's what it looks like. It's just normal. The other one is like curvy and it's really just confusing. And I also got 2 sets of these ones. And I got 2 sets because I like doing my nails. My nails are really bad. I'm gonna do my nails. I'm doing a nail tutorial. I got inspiration from my friend. I saw her talk, and I was like, oh, I like what's on the box, but sorry, I was right with the bit. I also jewelry, essential jewels, and 3 millimeters. As you can see with my what one size looks like, and little package, which I think is pretty cute. They're pretty. And then I got them at off. I got 2 of those again. I just did that already. And then I got them in the 4.5 millimeter, which is just a little bit bigger, so you can actually see them. I got 2 of those. That's about it for the jewels that I'm going to pull on. The glue that I'm using is a mosaic tile adhesive. So I don't think it works for mosaic tile, but it'll work with my tile. I got this, and hopefully it works, and hopefully it'll make the stuff stick, because I know with when sticking jewels and stuff like that on your shirt or on your nails or oh god, they don't really stick and stay. So I hope this, if it works for tile, I hope it works for casting and gemstone things. I don't know, but that's what you get. And then random stuff that I got at my girls was I got 2 I don't know. I got 2 Pez dispensers. One's for me, one's for my sister. Let's put that off. My sister got from my Melody one. So it looks like this. And then it comes with 3 candies. There we go. And then I got the Hello Kitty one. Just that. And I think it's the same 3 candies. And that's pretty much it. Oh, my sister is like in love with corn chips right now, so she's really got like a music with input, and you can like a ball. So she's like, so cute. So cute. I'll open up a random page and show you guys. Well, that was random. Here, and it's just like that on the inside. Let's put it through really fast. So, video I think it's 7 minutes long, and I think I'm done talking, and that's it. So, here we go. Here we go. That's it. That's 5. I'm gonna keep talking. See you. Thanks for watching, and bye guys.